Okay, I'm filming my same video that I did a while back, but I guess it got deleted.
What did?
My first ever video.
So it's
So,
not liked no more.
here's this. I'm just taking out the mag.
You filming that?
No swearing this time. That got the video taken down.
Then tell me how to find the video.
I'm trying. This one I'm gonna name so you can find it.
What's your YouTube name?
Edward's Channel 2.0.
Edward's Channel 2.0.
Edward's Channel.
Well, okay. And this is my first ever painting, I guess. Robert and Daxton should know this. So, yeah. Dude, turn that down.
Why?
Because I told you to.
No, it's just because you don't want to get copyright
Okay.
strike.
Bye.